Yes, Tutu Acker. Did the girls scare you? Hello, baby boy. What you doing, love? Yes, Tutu. Hi, Tutu. 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 I love you. Yes. Hello, sweetheart. You get scared when the girls fight, don't you? I know she's scary. You want your cage open? I went well. Yeah, she's kind of scary. She won't hurt me. She won't hurt you, honey. I won't let her. Yeah, she's scary sometimes. She likes to make you scared. What, Tutu? She's good girl, see? It's all right, Tutu. It's all right, you guys. It's okay. Yeah. See, I won't let her get you, baby boy. You're a good boy, Tutu. Did she scare you? What? Can you say hi, Tutu? Yes. What you can't see is he's watching a Triton cockatoo who's on my shoulder and likes to flare up. And earlier was causing a ruckus after the little Zon. Oh boy, oh my. How are they behaving now, love? Huh, Tutu? What a good boy.